So I installed the positive lead for the winch, which was pre-wired. Thank you, Honda, for that. But I couldn't find a negative, and so it looked like the negative on this one might be new enough to where they actually included it in one of these harnesses and attached it to the negative terminal on the battery already. Tools needed for this: an electrical probe with an alligator clamp and a razor blade to cut this tape off. Just going to connect the alligator clip to the black terminal and then use the probe on the red. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's a really good sign. All right, so now that I know that that's good, I'm going to move on to installing the winch bracket. Okay, so I think I pretty much have everything set up as best as I can for the time being, but I'm going to be using a number 12 metric socket and a number 5 Allen wrench to remove this front bumper so I can add the hardware and mounting plate to install the winch. So this bolt and this bolt, seems like we're just holding the plastic in place. And then this 12 millimeter metric bolt, it's actually holding the bottom of the bumper in place. And it looks like there's going to be 2 more up here. Yep, and they look like they're going to be 12 millimeter as well. All right, now I'm carefully going to slide this off. That's what it looks like. All right, so process of elimination. The worn winch I probably would not buy again, just because the instructions are pretty much combined. So I have a mounting kit that I bought from Warren that was not part of the actual winch. Let me see all that stuff. But now these instructions refer to these instructions, and vice versa. These are the instructions for the winch. These are the instructions for the mounting bracket. Now, the mounting bracket instructions would be good if they didn't refer to the instructions from the winch. So looking at this, it seems like they tell you like A, B, C, and D, but then you have all these different pouches of hardware that are not labeled. So it's literally, like I said, a process of elimination, but I think I'm figuring it out. It took a little bit of love with the rubber mallet, but I have the winch installed in the bumper, the mounting kit about to be tightened down. What I ran into issues with was actually getting this entire assembly in between the bumper flanges, and it seems like the bolts on the bottom were interfering with the bottom of the bumper, and so that's what I had to use a rubber mallet on. Actually, I used a pry bar with a paper towel and a rubber mallet, but it seems to be in the right spot now. So now I'm going to torque down the bottom of these brackets here. we go. Yeah, baby. Haha. Yeah, should look just like that. Check it out. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yep. I can reach everything. Seems like all the plastic fit in there pretty good. Didn't scratch anything in the process. £4,500 winch installed. Now I just got to do the wiring. And I have a lot of that done already. Catch you next time.